Chris Warren here, MarineMax Baltimore, aboard the 2020 320 Sundancer. We'll start here in the transom. As you can see, it does have a swim platform that does lower down into the water. This is about the halfway point, so if you just kind of want to sit with your feet dangling, watch the kids swim or the pets, it's perfect. It will lower down further, so it's easy to get on and off the boat. And then obviously underway, it comes all the way up. You'll see here across the transom as well, you got your electrical hookup and a very large spot for storage. Lines, fenders, floats, anything you could imagine back there. Moving forward, you'll see you have a remote stereo as well as a freshwater washdown. And then coming into the cockpit, you'll notice above me, there's a very large sunshade, which is fully retractable, but great if you're trying to stay out of the sun. You come in here, you'll see a grill along with a sink, a spot for your trash can, and a drawer refrigerator. Here, we wrap all the way around for plenty of seating in the cockpit, and this moves forward. There's also a table for entertainment that sits right here. And below this seating is your twin 6.2 liter 300 horsepower Mercuries. As you can see all the way throughout this, which feels great on your feet, it's removable sea deck. So you can snap that out if the kids are doing some tubing or having some fun, or if you're entertaining, this is all here, very comfortable on your feet. As we continue to move forward, you see you have a thigh-rise bolster here at the helm. You do have your joystick for your docking, your Simrad VHF, as well as your Simrad dual screen GPS and multi-unit for your engine readout. As we continue to move forward, this is really a bright spot of the boat for everyone. It's something that gets a lot of good feedback. So you come forward here, and you're going to notice that in a Sundancer, we have bow seating, which that's new for us. We're not used to it, but it's something we're super excited about it. You have your armrests, you have your stereo remote. You do have an insert here for the table, so if you wanted to sit up here and have a bite to eat or just some place to put your drinks other than the two cup holders. And then here, you have your windlass, which is operational by this remote here, or if you're by yourself or just want to do it as a captain, you do have it over at the helm too. And then finally you have your spotlight. Down here in the cabin of the 32 Sundancer, as you'll notice, there is a microwave here, another refrigerator. You do have a full head with a shower, an aft cabin, and a very large forward berth. This is fully air conditioning, does have your television, pretty much anything that you would need for an overnight. Thank you for watching the video on the 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Please stop in for a demo ride or give us a call to ask any questions. Thank you.